Hi, and welcome to Jay's Helpful Videos. Today, I'm going to show you a video about installing LED lights in a closet. I already have a video on this, but this is for closet doors, bypass doors. And the way it's going to work is I'm going to have one power supply. I'm going to take that power supply and I'm actually going to split it with this splitter. All of these parts are in the description below. I'm going to tie that into the infrared sensor. And again, you can see that in my other video, and I'll show you the full installation when it's done. So you plug that in here. Okay, that splits the power. And one side will go to this set of LED lights. And you can see they come on once that sensor is up. And here's the other side, which I'll plug into this set of LED lights. Oop. And you can see when the doors open and close, when they slide past, the right side will come on and then will go off, and then the left side will come on and go off when that door moves. Once the installation is done, I'll show you it all inside the closet and we'll go from there. Thanks. Here's the final installation. This is the splitter, which goes to the first sensor, and then the other one that goes to this sensor. I put them on L brackets so they hang down a little bit. This way when the doors open and close, the lights will come on and off. So you can see I ran the power cord down the side. I attached the power pack to the wall, and then I just put that all the way down here to a little extension cord, and I snuck the power out the bottom around to a nearby outlet. And here's the sensor from the outside. You can see when I close the door, the lights go out, and when the door opens, the lights come on. Same thing with the other side. Now they're all off. When I open up this side, and past the sensor, lights come on. Hope you liked the video. Please take time to like and subscribe.